There's a basement in my new house that no one enters. It's at the end of a long hallway, and when I was getting stuff from the basement, I heard a noise. I stopped and listened. Then I heard it again. Footsteps. Someone was definitely walking around down there. The basement had been empty for years, or so I thought. I used to come down here all the time as a kid. I brought my things up top, but every single day I would hear those footsteps. I never found anything. But there was one thing that happened that still makes me shiver to this day. I searched the entire basement, but I couldn't find it anywhere. I even checked the one spot where I knew it wouldn't be. It was under the stairs. There were boxes and boxes of stuff stored down here, but nothing of value. It was bigger than the others. I couldn't bring it upstairs because it was too heavy. So I put it in the corner and went to get help. One day I decided to clean it out. When I finally got all the boxes out, there was one box left. When I came back down, the box was gone.